can pretend that paper airplanes are like shooting stars, and I could make a wish now, erase the bad things and just remember the good ones. This is a real pot of gold.
It's Zondanny! Yeah, that's what everyone wants, right? Imagine just living on a good thing you live. What would be the point of begging for something if you didn't fight for it? How would you know about your strength if you've never tried holding a weight? I know the pain is annoying, but well, even roses have their thorns, and that doesn't make them any less of a flower. We can pretend that paper airplanes are like shooting stars, and I can make a wish now, erase the bad things and just remember the good ones. This is a real pot of gold. Sometimes we do something bad, but it's okay. What has to be seen is how you deal with it. If your evil doesn't hurt you, that already says something about you. Just as there is guilt, we can all apologize. Life is an eternal learning process, and when you die, that's when you finally learned everything. And happiness will always be on the way, not at the end.
We can pretend that paper airplanes are like shooting stars, and I can make a wish now, erase the bad things and just remember the good ones. This is a real pot of gold.
Make a wish now.
Wish right now.
Make a wish right now.
Look up, close your eyes, feel the sound of the wind, raise your arms. Now say what you want, say what you want, and with all this just put all your faith.
We can pretend that paper airplanes are like shooting stars,